So when it comes to the best softwares you can use to make your thumbnails, Photoshop is one of the best softwares that's paid, but honestly, it really helps you when it comes to creating those high quality thumbnails for your videos. Now, there's also another version that's similar to Photoshop that's called Photopea, but you can find this on Google. So Adobe Photoshop is actually a software that you download onto your computer to use. And Photopea is something that you Google, and it's like an online version of it that you can use for free. Now, I wanted to let you guys know that there is a way you can get the Photoshop for free through a cracked torrent on, just Google or finding it on YouTube, but it's a very, very risky because most people, they lie and they try and scam you when you look up these free versions to download. And if you're not really like computer savvy and you don't really understand what is a decent link and what is not, you shouldn't even try and go this route. Now, I would strongly suggest if you just want to start off from a high quality standpoint to go with Photoshop and go with Adobe Premiere. To start with Photoshop, because Adobe Photoshop is just the best of the best. Now, if the pricing is too much for you guys, I heard during the pandemic, if you were to call them and just, tell them that you wanted to cancel, they would end up giving you 3 months free just because they don't want you to cancel and they want you to continue to use their software. So that's just something to keep in mind. A really cool tip I heard from a friend that you guys can use if you want to just get it and just use it for, free. But if you guys are looking to get it, you guys can click the link in the description below. It has the full details on how you guys can download Adobe Photoshop to your PC. And also for Photopea, you guys can click the link as well. It'll take you over to the website and you guys can just play around with it and make your thumbnails and just see what your style is so you can get used to it. That way when you do jump on a Photoshop, you'll have some type of background in it, you'll have some type of experience, and so it won't all seem new to you.